You've worked hard for your business, and COVID-19 has affected us in ways we never thought imaginable. But now that our businesses are moving less physical, more virtual, it's important that we pay attention to those new risks and make sure that COVID-19 is the only problem we're dealing with. One thing that's really important to consider as we've all gone so virtual, now that doesn't necessarily mean we're selling online, but it does mean that the physical space that we use, the computers, the networks that we have worked so hard to protect for our customer data, those have completely changed. Many companies' employees are using their personal devices and definitely their personal networks in order to transact business with that customer data. Now, though our networks have changed, the truth is that none of our responsibility have changed at all. So regardless of COVID-19, we will still be held liable for breaking or breaching any privacy or cyber laws that may exist in our states. Cyber privacy liability is one excellent way to offset that to an insurance company. Cyber liability is kind of a difficult name to give it because people think, well, hey, I'm not working online. Well, today we're all working online. The internet is a part of all of our businesses, and we're transacting information through the internet all the time. Cyber and privacy liability can provide your business protection against getting sued in case there was a breach of that data. Now, one good tip I can give you is to make sure that any cyber liability policy that you consider include the definition of computer as broad as possible. You see, some policies limit coverage to only those devices owned by the business or the insured. But now, with so many businesses having gone virtual and so many employees using networks that don't belong to the business, you want to make sure that data transacted through those networks is covered by the policy. It's not really as expensive as you think to provide yourself this new protection, and it's more important now than ever to have it. If you have any questions, you want to learn more, send me a DM. I'd be glad to talk more about what cyber liability and privacy liability is and how it can protect your business.